Recognizing market targets and unmet customer needs. Now, when I'm teaching my class, I like to always write the words that are so what I've written on the board is customer needs and market targets. Oops. Now, recognizing the market gaps and unmet customer need is very crucial. It's a very crucial aspect of identifying business opportunity. Now, here are some steps that you can take in this process. The most important one, as we said, is conduct a market research. Conduct a market research with what we talked of. We talk on Dani Arrow. You have to do a research. Location, who will like my thing? Where can I suitable go and where will I easily sell this thing? You have to consider all those when selling or when doing your market research. Now, when doing your market research, you also need to consider the producer and the consumer. Most of the time, what I suggest is what? Create questionnaires to guide these people and create questionnaires to guide these people. Even if you produce it yourself, you need to buy raw materials, isn't it? So you need to get in touch with the people selling the raw materials. Get to find out how much will you sell doing this? Is there a better price for this? How can I do it? Come to your customers. Get to find out, would they love this? What are the things they will love? What can I do? Some of them may like delivery. Some of them may like you to get it to them where they are. Some of them may like pepper. Some of them might not like pepper. And with a stable market research, you should be able to identify what is going to profit your business or make your journey lovingly as an entrepreneur. The second is understanding your customer pain point. Understand your customer pain point. Talk to potential customers and gather insights into their challenges, frustration, and unfulfilled needs. This can be done through survey, interviews, or focus group. Look for common terms or recurring problems that can potentially come up. Nobody likes pain. A customer is a soft-hearted person, and we all need to have the ability to please them. When you please your customer, they get to bring you more people. When you now understand where or the places that can make your client get angry or less focused or anything, you will now be able to do what? To work on it, ensure that your customer is satisfied when so and so problems come up. In business, there will always be problems, usually between the customer and the producer, which is you. But now you need to look for ways, since you are an entrepreneur, we are an entrepreneur, to ensure that these problems are solved. The third is analyzing customer feedbacks. It's very important for growth. You need to listen to their complaints. You need to listen into ways, and you need to listen and create ways that their problems can be solved. And having a feedback for your company is very, very crucial. And for that particular product that you are selling, you need to get in touch with them. You need to understand what they need to make themselves more comfortable, have a better approach. Analyze customers' reviews, feedbacks on social media or online forums to identify recurring complaints or requests. This can provide value insight into areas where existing solution may be falling out. So understanding your clients is very important. And one of the best way you can do is putting in a feedback system that you can regularly maybe check on your clients, get to know where they are angry, get to know what you can do to ensure that they are better. The fourth is observe emerging trends. Nobody wants to stay on one place. People are working hard to grow. The same business idea that you have as an entrepreneur, someone somewhere already has it. So the best thing you can do for yourself is to do what? Get updated in that particular thing that you are selling. Get updated in that particular thing that you are doing. Get to follow guys in their same industry with you, so that what you can get updated, you can get updated, put in better ways to serve your clients and also grow your trend better. Keep an eye on emerging trends, both on your industry and in related fields. New technology, societal changes, or cultural shifts can create new customer needs or reshape the existing ones. Very clean and very clear. Look for underserved market segment. What do I mean by underserved market segment? For example, when MTN came to Cameroon, the first thing that they did was look for places where there was no MTN there was no network there, and reinvested in it. Now, most people don't ever understand Camtel. Most people don't ever understand Orange. People are getting used to using maybe Camtel, MTN. So it's difficult for them to like just fall inside Camtel because it's made in Cameroon. No. You need to identify those places that your products are not being sold and attack it, because that is where more profit will lie. Monitor competitors' gaps. What do I mean? Where you see your competitors going wrong, work on it and make your own the best. Study your competitors to identify areas where they may be lacking or where customers express dissatisfaction. Look for opportunities to provide a better or more innovative solution to meet those needs. That is what makes you different. Let's go to the next one. Brainstorm on idea. Remember, we did mention in module 1 that if you call yourself an entrepreneur, you should be able to create, to innovate, to strive, and to do what? To win. So you need to brainstorm on ideas. Get up new ideas. Get people get their own mindset about what you do. Brainstorm, gather it all. Brainstorm on it and make something better. Now the last one is test your ideas. The first thing I will say is, because you're an entrepreneur and you're an employee, you're an employer, never feel that you are always perfect. You need to grow the ability to test your ideas. You need to have the ability to grow what you do. That is the way forward for an entrepreneur. In web development, there is something we do. We create. Once we create, we test before we launch. Why? We believe that we need to have feedback. How do you test your ideas? Get it to people who can criticize and tell you the truth about your product. By doing so, you get to know the truth and know which aspect to make your products become better. In business, we have research. That is something that we cannot avoid. In business, we have research. We have the markets. We don't only have the market, we also have what? Competitors. With competitors, we need to analyze them.